Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I just want to make a video response to one of my viewers. They left a comment about BugMD. They did not receive the directions with the package. So I just wanted to tell you to reach out to support. Hopefully they'll be able to send that to you. Also, I'm going to read a few directions off the bottle. This is the 32-ounce bottle that you receive from BugMD when you buy it. Okay, so directions for use are on the back here, and also it says how to use it for pests. Spray directly into or onto the pests from 8 to 12 inches away until wet, but not to the point of saturation or runoff. So that's the directions for how to use it when you have pests. For indoor and outdoor surfaces or areas, you want to do spray surfaces to be treated from a distance of 8 to 12 inches until wet. Allow to air dry or wipe down with a dry cloth or a paper towel. So this is really good for killing pests. It safely kills ants, ticks, fleas, bed bugs, mites, roaches, flies, and more. So I highly recommend it. Like I said, there's other videos on my channel that I talk about BugMD. I actually go through how to mix the concentrate. And when you order the package, what I did when I received mine, I got the Essential Pest Control Kit. It came with 2 smaller bottles here of the concentrate. This is actually a smaller one. This is 3.7 fluid ounces, okay? You mix this into a 32-ounce bottle with water. So I have a video on my channel showing you guys how to do that. So I would like to thank you for tuning into the channel. Any other questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.